These next shots are really what started it all. When I was working construction for a crew here in Salem, we had a remodel to do at this house. And we pulled up one day and noticed this huge bee's nest. So I started watching them, and later that day I asked the owners if I could come back and record them. And the footage I got was just awesome. And it was the first time I had used the GS400. They were brand new. I think they just got them within a week or two of me shooting this footage, and they work marvelously. While I was shooting, I was able to get within, I'd say within a foot of this hive, and within inches of the bees as they flew past me. They're very, I don't know what type of bees these are, but they were very docile, at least that day they were. They didn't seem to take any notice of me, and of course I never touched the nest, but they flew by me as if I was a tree, as if I was any other part of the landscape.